Hi everyone, we're going to be looking today at how to work on Excel with particular on things of measures of spread. So things like interquartile range, range, and standard deviation. So I have the data already set up here. If you want to pause here and set up your own data as well, so you can work with me, or you can watch the whole video and then download the spreadsheet, which I'll have available under in the links box. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is work out the highest score, and it's in C5 as you can see there. So remember it's C then 5. Okay, click on the FX button, or you can find that up there if you go more functions. But I'm just going to click here and I'm looking for the highest score in this data, so max. Okay, and if I didn't have it there, I could type it up the box. I'll show you the next step. Now Excel is asking what range. So click on that red box there and then click and select all the data you want them to look through. So this is the data that they provided me with. So that's all I want. And I'm looking for the maximum value, the highest value in this data. I can see it there says 35. I'm happy with that because I already know it's 35. So I know I've clicked the right formula. Okay, now all I need to do is press OK, and there it is. So remember, you always click on where you want the formula to be first. That's what I did first. You can also do a visual check and double check that it is, the highest score in this data to make sure you've clicked on the right formula. Okay, let's do the second one. I want to do the lowest score. So you got to click to where you want it to be. So I want it to be in C6. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the FX button, and I can't find min here, so I'm just going to go up the top there, delete all that, and I'm going to type in just something that describes what I want. So in this case, I'm just going to type min. Okay, and then that's it. Again, Excel is going to ask me, what range of cells do you want? And there it is. Yep, I'm just going to click on the red box again. 21. Do a visual check. Make sure that you are happy with that. And let's go to upper quartile. Okay, so if you remember from your upper quartile in your interquartile range, it's Q3. So I can't find, if you can find quartile, that's good. I had it there already. But if you can't find it, again, just delete all that and just press or type the word quartile and search for it. Press go, it will find it for you and say, yep, click on that. Press OK. Array just here means tell me which cells do you want me to look at, and I want you to look at all these cells. OK, and then I'm going to click back again on that box just to get the box appearing again. Now the next cell is important because it's wanting me to which quartile to specify. So I just want the third quartile here. Yep, I'm happy with that. And now I'm going to do the lower quartile, which again is Q1. So quickly go up there, press the FX button, right, click on quartile, double click rather, and then choose your array. Perfect. And click again. Don't forget, oops, I mean you can, but there's no reason for that. I just press 1. Force of habit. Okay, just 1 there because I want lower quartile. Okay, now range. What is range? So press equals because you're telling Excel is a formula. So range is the lowest score, highest score minus the lowest score. So click on that cell minus that cell, and it does it for you. Interquartile range. So again, interquartile range. Remember what it was? It's Q3 minus Q1. Okay. And there it is, 4.75. Now standard deviation, again, we're going to look for it in our formula. So we're going to do standard deviation there. It comes up. Now there's sample and there's population. You can, depending on the question, you can pick whichever one you like. I think I'm going to pick sample for this one. Yep, I'll pick sample. Once you click what you want, it's up to you what you want to do after that. You can do population, like I said, depends on the question. Choose your range. Perfect. Yep, I'm happy with that. And there it is, 4.09234. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.